yesterday. They control people with iron chains. Today, the chains look different. Credit traps, synthetic drugs, endless screens, fake dreams sold through algorithms. Back then they used whips, today they use addiction, distraction, division. A people disconnected from history becomes easier to control. Youth scrolling all night, but forgetting their ancestors fought to survive. Forgetting that freedom is not only removing chains from your hands, but removing chains from your mind. Pedre Coutoupa fought in forests. Today the battle is inside society. Hey, protect your mind, protect your future, protect Mauritius. Because a modern slave often doesn't realize he is trapped. No more chains on the body, no more chains on the soul. Open your eyes, Mauritian youth. Don't let the system take control. Pedre's spirit still calling through the rivers and the rain. Freedom starts inside the mind. Oh, history repeats again.